Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I quickly would like to show you how we can keep a sticky menu for a website in WordPress in less than 4 to 5 minutes of time. And all we have to do is we have to install a plugin, My Sticky Menu. Alright, so coming back to the website, Click and Capture Studio. If you are watching my videos for the very first time, Click and Capture Studio is the real-time business that we are supporting, and they give services for wedding, model and product photography. And just in case if you reside in Hyderabad and if you really would like to make an use of wedding, model or product photography, you can come to the clickandcapturestudio.com and then you can click on the WhatsApp icon and you can reach out to them. It's so simple. Alright, so without wasting any time, let's quickly get into the topic. How we have to keep a sticky menu to the website. Now here we can see the menu Home, Services, About Us and Book Now. And when I scroll down a little bit, I can see the menu has been disappeared and it is visible only on the top of the website. Now we have to keep this menu sticky so that when we scroll down till the bottom of the website, we must see the menu on the entire website, and that is the requirement. So first thing, we have to enter into the WordPress. And just in case if any one of you doesn't see this particular options, all you have to do is in the URL right after the website, you have to enter /wp-admin. It will take you to the WordPress admin login page, and you have to enter your username and password, and when you click on enter, it will take you directly to the WordPress admin dashboard page. Now on the WordPress dashboard page, we have to navigate to the plugins, and here we have to install a new plugin. So we have to add the new plugin so that it will get installed and placed in this particular place. Alright, so now let me click on add new plugin. It takes us to the marketplace, and here we have to search for the plugin using this search bar, and we have to search for My Sticky Menu. We can see floating notification bar, sticky menu on scroll, so we have to install this particular plugin. And it is a 5-star plugin, and currently 1 lakh plus active installations are there, and also this plugin is compatible to the version of WordPress that we are using. That I'm using, so you have to check the compatibility as well. And also do let me know if this particular plugin is compatible with the WordPress that you are using, the theme. Now once the plugin has been installed, we have to click on activate. It will take only 3 to 5 seconds of time, and we have landed on the plugin dashboard page. Just in case if you do not see this page, do not panic. From the left side options, you have to scroll down a little bit and you have to choose My Sticky Bar, and when you click on My Sticky Bar, you will be landed on this particular page. Here we can see the sticky menu is not currently configured, and we have to configure in order to enable the sticky menu. So let me click on configure, and the very first thing that we have to do in this page is we have to enable the sticky menu so that on the entire website the menu will be visible. And once it is done, we have to make sure that visibility of the sticky menu is enabled both on desktop and mobile versions. And once it is done, let me scroll down a little bit. Do not touch any of the other options. We want to create a simple sticky menu. Always make sure the sticky background color either to a black or blue. If it is dark, it looks good or appear clean and simple on the website. If you see any other color and if you really do not like, come back to this page and change it to black. And I want to keep the background color black, and I want to keep the text color white. And after we have seen these changes, I want to quickly scroll down till the bottom of the page. I do not want to touch any of the other options, and quickly I want to click on save. It is so simple, right? Now it is the time for us to navigate to the website. So let me click on Ctrl T, a new tab open, and I want to search for Click and Capture Studio, and I want to click on enter. Now we have landed on Click and Capture Studio website, and on the top we can see the menu as it is. But when we scroll down, we can see a black background has been appeared on the menu, and it is visible on the entire website. So keeping a sticky menu on the WordPress website is so simple, and we can do that within 3 to 5 minutes of time. And if you really wanted to learn WordPress or maybe the entire digital marketing course, I want you to subscribe to Edurself so that on my playlist Digital Marketing Course, you can find all the videos that are related to digital marketing from the zero, which means each and every topic of digital marketing I have covered in a very simple way, and I'm also placing the subtitles just for the people who are not that good in English. It will be very much useful to all regions of people. And also, if you really would like to suggest my digital marketing classes to your friends and family, Please do that, and they can learn digital marketing completely for free. And also, if you face any difficulties, or maybe if you want to learn any topic in digital marketing, I want you to write down a comment right below this video, so when I go through your comments, I will reply. And if I have not done any particular video which you have mentioned, I will do a special video for you and post it right below the video. Simple. I hope you are happy, and I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.